There are 5 new S Pen global gestures that I've discovered in my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. So go to Phone Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, and then select Air Actions. Yep, see these 5 new gestures? These gestures are global gesture we can do across all applications. Let me explain. The first 3 gestures are equivalent to our bottom navigation buttons. Just like these buttons, on any app, we can draw an up gesture to go home and left angle bracket to go back. That's why I call these global gestures. And of course, the right angle bracket air gesture will open the recent apps. Let me show you. Imagine I'm browsing on my IKEA app, looking for a shelf to buy. I click on one of the shelf. I can easily do the left angle bracket gesture to go back. To go home, I do the up arrow gesture. And right angle gesture to go to recent app. I can do this on any screen to get the recent app. But the buttons are right here at the bottom. So why do we need these gestures? The reason is because this is not my usual navigation bar. I usually have the swipe gesture navigation bar where there is no buttons at the bottom. To go back, I swipe in from the side of the phone. And to go home, I swipe up from the bottom. So when I'm using my S Pen to navigate on the phone, it's hard for me to swipe in from the side of the phone and from the bottom to go to the home screen. So sometimes I'll simply use these air gestures to go back or go to the home screen. It becomes part of my muscle memory after a while. And if we really don't want to do the navigation bar actions, we can change them. Click on the gesture we want to change, and we can set it to open any applications or do the navigation bar functions we previously spoke about, or run these active S Pen features. For example, I can change it to magnify, to turn my S Pen into a magnifying glass. So I can easily do this. Yeah, my eyes are getting old, so being able to just draw an air gesture and I get a magnifying glass on any screen is really handy. By the way, this brochure on the screen is my new electric car brochure. I'm planning to buy this BYD Seal. And of course, I'll be making lots of videos about my experience transiting from a petrol Honda Civic to this super fast electric car, and talk about BYD infotainment integration with my Galaxy S23 Ultra and so on. So subscribe now and tell me what you want to know about this BYD Seal in the comment down below. Okay, moving on. My favorite gesture is this wiggly zigzag action because at any time when I'm surfing or shopping on the internet, I can easily do this wiggly gesture to write on the screen. It's easy to remember. Draw wiggly zigzag lines means drawing on the screen. I can simply do this wiggly gesture on any app. And my S23 Ultra will take a screenshot for me to annotate and write on the screenshot. So handy. And as for the last arrow down gesture, by default is assigned to the Smart Select function. If you still don't know how powerful this Smart Select feature is, I've made an entire video dedicated to explain this powerful Smart Select feature. We can use this Smart Select feature to remove background by cutting out an object from a photo and select text out of an image, and so much more. Watch this video on the screen right now to find out more. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.